Hello, my name is John Michael O'Brien and I'm an Inside Application Engineer for Keysight Technologies. Today what I'm going to show you is actually how to save just a small piece of the data, or even potentially a very large piece, out of a particular trace within a logic analyzer capture. You can see here I've already done a run, I've got some data in my system, and I've picked out an interesting part of the data here, only a couple of bytes just that way it's easy to see. What you'll notice is that I've laid out two markers, and the thing is, these two markers are important. What they're going to do is they're going to define the region that we want to save. So you'll notice I've got marker 1 set up over here and marker 2 set up over here. It doesn't have to be markers 1 and 2. You can use any of the markers. It's just a matter of making sure you have something to mark out where you want to save. So now that I've got that set out, I can come over here and go to the File menu and go to Export. Once I'm in Export, I can just simply go to the standard CSV text file. And then once I'm in here, you'll notice that I have this File Options section down here at the bottom. If I uncheck All Data, I can go to Data Range and then select Marker. By selecting Marker, I can pick what I want to use as my marker, as the beginning and ends, as it were, of the export. So I've laid out markers 1 and 2, but you'll notice I can say, for example, from marker 1 to the end, or from the beginning to marker 1, or any combination like that. Once I've done that, though, that lets me pick out the individual range of data I want to save. And moreover, if I want, and in this particular case there's nothing to select since I've only got one bus, but if I had multiple buses, I can actually pick individual buses out as well. And then actually, I don't do it with this button, I do it by removing the buses from the signals on the left. Once that's done, I can simply save my results, and I'm going to save mine to an easy place for me to find it here. Export the data, and then I'm going to open this up here real fast, and you'll see that my exported data contains a very small subsection of data. I've only got a couple of transactions here, and an acquisition that's thousands upon thousands of transactions long. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to contact us, or also check out our website at www.keysight.com.